video today, I will focus on mental health needs in the criminal justice system. People with mental illness are overrepresented in the criminal justice system. Although we have learned much about the prevalence and need of mentally disabled offenders in jails and prisons, a number of research questions remain. Before delving into the mental health needs of the criminal justice system, let's focus on what this means. Mental health includes our emotional, mental and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others and make choices. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood to adolescence to adulthood. The criminal justice system is the network of public and private institutions needed to manage accused and convicted criminals. The criminal justice system consists of multiple interrelated pillars consisting of academia, law enforcement, forensic services, the judiciary and corrections. Considering how mental affects the criminal justice system, most courts' first choice when a criminal case involves a defendant with a serious mental illness is to commit the person to an inpatient psychiatric care facility. A recent federal study by the Prison Policy Initiative on mental illness in prison and jail population concludes that incarceration failed to address the social, economic and health problem of incarcerated people. These study findings illustrate the link between mental illness and increased likelihood of incarceration. Example: 25% of individuals who were arrested and booked 2 or more times in a 12-month period reported severe or moderate mental illness. In comparison, 9% of people who were not arrested during that time reported a mental illness. Attention should also be paid to how mental health crimes should be implemented in the judicial system. Mental health and substance abuses carry enormous financial, health and human cost, particularly in the criminal justice system. Referral of such individuals from prisons and jails to more appropriate and culturally competent community-based mental health services is an essential component of national, state and local strategies to provide people with the support they need and remove them unnecessarily. Also, Section 53 to Section 56 of the Mental Health Act 2006 has the rights of prisoners with mental disabilities. Furthermore, attention to mental health needs in the criminal justice system is imperative as 57 to 61 address the rights of mentally challenged offenders and Article 62 to 63 establish the Mental Health Advisory Council and Grievance Committee. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity by the Faculty of Law, University of Jaffna.